to Dr. Anwar as our evaluator for professionalism, kejuruteraan dan alam bina 2. Okay, first of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Mardia bint Uthman.
My name is Chandra Kumar.
I'm Nurul Azhar binti Safi, and I'm Nurul Azhura binti Muhammad Yudin.
Okay, the topic of our presentation is the siltation of Tasik Kejuruteraan. Let me begin with the introduction. Okay, before that, our topic for our presentation is the siltation of Tasik Kejuruteraan. Okay, as we know, there are many faculties in UKM, but one of the faculty that grabbed my attention is engineering faculty, and there are lake in engineering faculty. For our introduction is for lake near the engineering faculty, which we call as Tasik Kejuruteraan. As we know, the lake is not well functioned because the siltation occurs there. Because the lake acts as detention point, as the clear water will go to Sungai Langat. Okay. The objective of our project is to investigate about the siltation of the lake near the Faculty of Engineering. And the second objective is the causes of siltation and the effect of students' activity due to the siltation. Next, determine the water quality when the climate change occurs, ways to improve the quality of the site, and lastly, come out with ideas regarding the improvement near the Tasik Kejuruteraan. Okay, our scope for our project is around the lake near the Faculty of Engineering and student of engineering, the staff Faculty of Engineering, civil engineering field of work design for the better environment. For student of engineering and the staff Faculty of Engineering, we give them a questionnaire for them to answer all the questions regarding the Tasik Kejuruteraan, what they want to improve for our Tasik Kejuruteraan, and so on. Okay, the problem statement of our project is cost due to a project of construction in Zabah College near the Tasik Kejuruteraan, cost due to a project of construction in Faculty of Science and Technology, which we call FST, cost due to the business activity of cafeteria. Next, the real function of the lake. We want to know what is the real function of the lake as it near the Faculty of Engineering, as recreation or what else. Okay, next is how to propose to the authority about the idea to improve the site. Next, I will pass to Javendra to explain the literature view.
Very good afternoon, sir. First of all, theory 1. Siltation or sedimentation is one of the most severe threats. The primary sources of this muddy water are irresponsible development of project, reckless logging, mining operation, and poorly built and maintained road. Okay. These projects are required to use best management practice (BMP). What is BMP? Best management practices is a term used in the United States and Canada to describe a type of water pollution control. Historically, the term has referred to auxiliary pollution controls in the fields of industrial wastewater control and municipal sewage control. While in stormwater management, both urban and rural and wetland management, BMPs may refer to a principal control or treatment techniques as well. Okay, now I'll pass the discussion to Asma.
Hello, Doctor. I want to emphasize that my name is Nurul Azhar binti Safi. I came from Melaka. Melaka Bandaraya Sejarah. Okay, this is the graph of result. I take the result from the questionnaire. There are 8 of the questions. First of question are the sample of experiment, which are stated before, which is including students of engineering and lecturers of engineering faculty. Firstly, we take students about 94%, which is 47 per 50 sample. and lectures, which is 3 out of 47. We are taking students as the main sample of this survey is because we are on the behalf of the student. We want to tell the authorities, or we want to propose or raise the idea to authorities about what we want in our Tasik. It is a waste, I think, for us. We are studying at National University of Malaysia, but we don't have the equipment there. So I take the students as the main sample. Second of the question is the activity that they are doing there. We can see that 43 of them are walking. 21% of them are exercise, and laughing and doing assignment 80% respectively. So we can see here that most of them are doing beneficial activity there. So I think it is not a waste for the authorities or on behalf of the National University of Malaysia to improve the site.
I will explain you about the conclusion based on the topic about siltation of Tasik Kejuruteraan UKM Bani. We can conclude into 3 aspects. First, way to reduce pollution. Second, importance of Tasik Kejuruteraan to the community. And third, suggested improvement on the surrounding area. For the ways to reduce pollution, we can reduce pollution by improve the water system. We can do dredge sediment at the bottom of the lake at Tasik Kejuruteraan. As we know, most people doesn't know the exact function of Tasik Kejuruteraan. Actually, Tasik Kejuruteraan play important role to maintain the water quality by functioning as the detention point. Let me define you what is detention point is. Detention point is the excavated area installed in tributaries of lake that protect against flooding lane. In some cases, downstream erosion by storing water for limited time of period. But Tasik Kejuruteraan more to the manage water quantity while having a limited effectiveness in protecting water quality. Second, ways to reduce the pollution is we can raise awareness to the society. We can do social activities such as cleaning and tidying up around the lake, so that people will not throw the rubbish around the lake or into the lake. Okay, about the importance of Tasik Kejuruteraan to the community. Tasik, besides be a identity to the Faculty of Engineering and Built Environment, Tasik Kejuruteraan also be a recreation place. Survey finding that respondents do activities such as exercising, study group, and the most popular activity is walking around the lake. It is also be a aiming place for the student to do the barbecue activity and final year party. Okay, about the suggested improvement on surrounding area. Many people already satisfied about the surrounding of the lake, but they do support if there is any improvement that be planning to be done. First, we suggest the authorities to transform the walking area from the walkway to jogging track, because it will give a benefit to the people who love jogging. Second, we should make the track higher than the water level, because it will reduce the stagnant water during the raining day. As we know, now the water level and the road are at the same level. So when at the raining day, water will flow out from the lake, then will flow at the road. Okay. Last, we also can add more exercise facilities around the lake, so that it will attract more people to come and play around the Tasik Kejuruteraan, in addition to enliven Tasik Kejuruteraan. That's all from our group.